OD safety prevents safety through innovation. Is safety important in your business? Have any of your employees been injured using a table grinder? OD Safety has developed the No-Go Grinder Safety Stand. The stand houses 4 electronic sensors that verify that the machine guards are within acceptable tolerance. Please watch the following video which illustrates how the No-Go Grinder Safety Stand works. During this video, we will adjust the guards to manually induce a fault, which can only be corrected once the gap is adjusted and the guard fault light has turned off. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information or to order a No-Go Grinder Safety Stand, please contact us at www.odiz.com. For this video to show that the grinder is now out of tolerance. The go light will not start the machine. The guard is being placed back into acceptable tolerance and the machine starts up again. Grinder